All right, good evening, class. Today we're going to do the second day of Chapter 3, Lesson 3. Yesterday we multiplied a decimal by a whole number. Today we're going to be multiplying a decimal by a decimal. So, our first problem here, our example problem, 0.5 times 0.3. Step 1, write down the problem, which you can see I did. Step 2, multiply. 5 times 3 is 5. If you carry the 1 up here, I could do that. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. Count all the numbers in the problem that are the right of the decimal. Here we have 1, and here we have 1. That means we have a total of 2. So what we're going to do is, if we have 2 places in the question, we need to have 2 places in the answer. So what we're going to do is put our decimal at the end, and we're going to move it 2 places. So our answer to this question is 0.15. All right, let's practice here. So we got 0.8 times 0.5. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply 8 times 5 is 40. So I'll put the 0 down, carry the 4. 0 times 5 is 0, plus 4 is 4. So if you look here, we have one number. I like to just put a little 1 there. I got another number to the right of the decimal there. That means all I have to do is count up my numbers in the parentheses, and that tells me how many places I'm moving my decimal. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Move it to the end. So my answer is 0.40. Practice problem number 2. 0.32 times 0.8. So let's go ahead and multiply. 8 times 2 is 16, plus 1. 8 times 3 is 24. Add 1 is 25. Carry the 2. 8 times 0 is 0, plus 2 is 2. And if I highlight the numbers to the right of the decimal, I have 1, 2, 3. So at the end of this problem, I'm going to move my decimal 3 places. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 0.256. Do I believe we have one more? Yep. So we got 0.061 times 0.6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Carry the 3. 6 times 0 is 0, plus 3 is 9. And 0 times 6 is 0. If we go ahead and count to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4 decimals. So we're going to come back here, put our decimal at the end, and then we're going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 0.0966. I know a lot of you are going to probably go, well, why can't we just use a calculator? Well, the reason you need, this is a 6th grade standard, and you have to be able to do this without a calculator on the MCA test. So when we do this assignment, you will not be able to use a calculator. You can use a calculator to check your answers when you're all done, but you will have to show your work. Tomorrow in class, we'll finish up this lesson, page 86, 9 to 13, 17 to 22, and 29 to 36. Have a good night. We will see you tomorrow.